Hi everyone. I'm Olivia Liu, and thank you so much for joining our Manufacturing Day event. This event has been planned by the Subortus Project in collaboration with the American Manufacturing Communities Collaborative. I'm a high school senior in DC, and AMCC, I believe, is also based in DC. And you can find the website links right down below on the title slide. I'll just introduce our mission a little bit. So the Subortus Project is a nonprofit organization that aspires to educate and empower and inspire middle school and high school students to pursue careers in manufacturing through educational content and career guidance that's crafted specifically for youth. And all of our content is made by youth. So we're trying to channel our perspective to help our peers. So I just wanted to introduce some of the people who helped plan this event, although a lot of them couldn't be here today because they live on the West Coast. So there's a little bit of a time difference and they are unfortunately still in class. So I'm Olivia, as I said. I go to the National Cathedral School in Washington, D.C. I write for the school newspaper and I'm a member of the Science Olympiad team. I also enjoy playing alto saxophone and piano in my free time. What inspired me to start the Subortus Project was a research project that I did in 2022. It was the summer, and it was under a fellowship program that was run by my school, where I got funding to do some research on manufacturing workforce development in the Rust Belt and rural America. And one of my biggest findings in this project was the need to get more youth interested in manufacturing. So this is Jenna, and she's a junior at Skyline High School in Salt Lake City, Utah, and she works as the operations director at the Subortus Project, and her passions include social advocacy and researching new technologies. Jenna is very involved in STEM. She's the operational lead research editor for Youth STEM 2030, and she also is the technology VP for the Utah State Capitol Attorney General's Youth Commission. And then this is Bryce, and he's from Sacramento, California, and he's currently a junior at West Campus High School. He also has a very strong passion for STEM and specifically sustainability and environment and how that has an interplay with manufacturing. And last person, Eleanor. Eleanor is a junior at Leland High School in San Jose, California.